Hi, have you ever imported a file into Power BI and your dates show errors like this? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix this issue. First, let's import the file. Go to Home, Get Data, Text CSV. This is a sample data site and you can download the same CSV from the description below. In the preview, everything looks fine, but look at the order date column. We have mixed the date formats. So instead of clicking Load, I'm going to click Transform Data because we'll fix it in Power Query. Now we are in the Power Query editor. First thing I always do, check the data types. You might also notice customer ID should be text to keep leading zeros. I covered that in another video, so I won't repeat it here. Before we change anything, I'm going to duplicate the column Order Date so we can compare the result. Right-click Order Date, Duplicate Column. Now you can see Order Date is currently text. Now, if I just change the type to date, click the ABC icon, choose date, and some rows become arrows. Why? Because Power BI is guessing the date format based on my system settings. Let's look at what happened. 22 May 2024 becomes 2024 May 22. That one is correct. 0809-2025 becomes 2025 August 9. Power BI thinks it's month, day, year. And 17-11-2025 turns into an arrow because Power BI thinks 17 is the month and the month 17 doesn't exist. So the real format in this file is day, month, year, but my default locale doesn't match. Alright, let's fix it the right way. On the right side under Applied Steps, delete the last step, Changed tab. Now the column is back to text. Next, click the ABC icon again, but this time choose Using Locale. In Data Type, choose Date. Now for the important part, Locale. You need to choose a locale that matches the date format in your file. So here, I'll pick a locale, for example, English Europe. You can see the example format below. It's the same pattern as our order date column. Click OK. And now all dates are converted correctly. One quick note, using Locale can fix how Power BI reads the date. It doesn't control how the date is displayed in the report. If you want to change the display format, you do that later in Power BI. So let's click Close and Apply. Then go to Table View. Select the Order Date column. Go to Column Tools. And here you can choose Short Date, Long Date, or other formats. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.